Respect for every senior recognized, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a hand right now. The first senior to be recognized, wearing jersey number 5, Marcus Hardy. Marcus is with his parents, Nikki and Marcus Hardy. Marcus is a one-year varsity letterman for the Mustang. Marcus has also participated in football while at Creekview. He will play football this fall at Angelo State University. Marcus' most memorable moment as a Creekview basketball player is the warm-up at Forney when Destin got picked on. Ladies and gentlemen, number 5, Marcus Hardy. Ladies and gentlemen, number 10, Will Romaine. Will with his parents, Susan and Steve Romaine. Will is a 2-year varsity letterman for the Mustang. Will has also participated in track and student basketball at Creekview. After graduation, he plans on playing basketball in college. Will's most memorable moment as a Creekview basketball player is the grips moment at Forney. Ladies and gentlemen, number 10, Will Romaine. Number 21, Jamal Jones. He's with his parents, Sharon and Johnny Jones. Jamal is a 2-year varsity letterman for the Mustang. Jamal has also participated in football, track, and soccer while at Creekview. He will play football in the fall at Trinity Valley College and plans to eventually get a degree in engineering. Jamal's most memorable moments as a Creekview basketball player are the wily warm-ups, Destin getting hit by a resistance band, and grips. Ladies and gentlemen, number 21, Jamal Jones. Number 23, Destin Oguri. Destin is with his parents, Chinway and Austin, and brother Justice. Destin is a 2-year varsity letterman for the Mustangs. Destin has also participated in football and track while at Creekview. He plans to play college basketball and major in economics and sports medicine. He wants to eventually become a coach or a trainer. Destin's most memorable moments as a Creekview basketball player are the team dinners after practice and before during the games. Number 23, Destin Oguri. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, number 24, Ronji Mason. He's with his